In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text on Framer. Framer is a powerful tool for designing interactive interfaces, and knowing how to add and style text is foundational to creating visually appealing designs. Let's dive right into it. To begin with, you'll want to locate the Text tool, which is conveniently found in the toolbar. You can also activate it simply by pressing the T key on your keyboard. Once you've selected the Text tool, it's time to decide how you want your text box to appear on your design canvas. There are a couple of options here. You can click once on the canvas, which will create a flexible, auto-resizing text box. This is perfect if you want your text to expand naturally as you type, ideal for times when you're not entirely sure how much text you'll eventually want to include. Alternatively, if you have a more specific layout in mind, you can click and drag to form a fixed-width text box. This method gives you a predefined space for your text, helping structure your design while maintaining a clean look. Once you've added a text box to your canvas, it's time to personalize it, ensuring it matches the style and tone of your project. This is where the Properties panel comes into play. Highlight the text you've just added and take a peek at this panel. You'll find a variety of options for styling your text. Want to change the font? Go for it! Select from the different fonts available to find one that best fits your design. Choosing the right font can significantly impact your design's aesthetic and readability, so consider your project's theme when making this choice. Next, let's talk about color. Color isn't just about making your design look pretty. It can also convey feelings and draw attention. In the Properties panel, you can set your text to any color you fancy. Be mindful of contrast. Ensuring your text is legible against the background is crucial. After selecting the color, it's also a good idea to think about the size of your text. Larger text can be suitable for headings or drawing attention to key information, whereas smaller text works well for less prominent details. Finally, explore the additional settings available to further refine your text's appearance. These might include options for text alignment, line height, and letter spacing. Each of these settings allows you to add subtle but impactful styling touches that make your text look polished and professional. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to adding and styling text in Framer. Playing around with these settings will not only enhance your current project, but will also help you become more comfortable with Framer's capabilities, boosting your design prowess. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.